let's see what the disadvantages are. 1. You are still seen only on a rotational basis, like PPC, so you may not be seen as much as the others, and therefore not get as many calls. There are many businesses who set up their LSAs with inexperienced ad agencies and are not getting any calls. 2. You still pay for ads, but at a much reduced rate, and the ROI increases exponentially because now you are getting calls, not just views or clicks. 3. Not all who apply are approved by Google to be shown. 4. Not all who are approved are shown. 1 out of 4 may be shown. In the next video, I'll share with you how we overcome these negative odds. 5. You might get up to 30% of calls that are inappropriate, and you are still paying for them. She, SBO.SEO.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free ebook.